Now this may be your common CFL, and this is a photography in studio light. So let's actually check this out. Yes, you have seen the intro right. I am talking about a pretty big CFL, a studio light or photography light or however you want to call it. And this is a regular CFL, and this is the big studio light I was talking about and you saw in the intro. Hold on, I have actually heard about this being a scam. Hold on, a scam? Okay, this is a bit strong. But I have heard that this light bulb does lie a bit to you. But I want to test that exactly out, and well, as you can see, one of these light bulbs is already next to me actually and powering the light around me. And you can see it's pretty cool. Unfortunately, my other light has no studio light in it, so yes, I may look a little bit darker on this side. But now imagine having both of them. Yes, you get a very great combo, only that I want to also test it and show the real wattage, because this is important and I want to do that. So let's actually go to my desk and see exactly
now that we are here, well, let's actually take a look at the CFL itself. Now I'm going to spin it like this and let's actually see what it says. Set photo 135 watts, 5500K, 220 to 240 volts, and 50/60 Hertz. Okay, interesting enough is what we're going to take a look later is this that claims 135 watts. At least we have all of these symbols, so it should be certified. And I mean, even though I bought this on AliExpress, I did get it shipped from France. So yeah, but other than that, you can see that it is a no brand product, which is really interesting when you have such a big CFL. But yeah, here we have a little hole. Now I'm pretty sure there should be a fan, but I just don't know if there's an actual fan. So yeah, I guess that's a little bit of a mystery. But other than that, it looks pretty interesting. Okay, the big question is though, how many watts does the CFL actually use? Well, I say let's find that out. Okay, let's actually see how this starts up. Well, that was very much instant, but whatever, I guess. Now let's actually take a look at the wattage. And wouldn't you see that? 52 watts. Hold on, the CFL says that it is 135, but it actually uses 31 watts. Huh? So, what is up with the CFL? Okay, I'm going to be really honest with you. I have no idea why they really actually advertise it as a higher wattage. I'm pretty sure that due to the size, and they thought, well, maybe it looks like a higher wattage lamp and this would draw the attention of more people to buy it, and thus are going to be more likely to buy this CFL. But honestly, I would also be just happy if it had actually not lied about its wattage, and I mean, it is a pretty decent lamp, so not sure why they really added that in, but this is kind of the point why people have actually kind of been skeptical about the CFL, simply because it does not match its wattage. No idea why. Actually, a quick look on eBay also showed the same thing. If I search 135 watt studio light, you're going to see exactly the same results. No idea really why. So yeah, as you saw, this is no 135 watt CFL. But guess what? I already knew this beforehand. So this is really the thing why I'm not actually disappointed and I'm not making really a rant right here. And trust me, it is a pretty good studio light. Again, as you can see, I'm being illuminated by just one of them, and it's very great. Again, it is really cool. I like it. Do I recommend it though? Now this is an interesting
considering that nowadays we are using LEDs and not really CFL, so there are studio lights that can be used that are LEDs, and nowadays I've actually seen built-in panels, although I still opt for a softbox that you can change the bulb regardless of what technology it is. I opt for a changeable one because you can change, thus if the bulb burns out you can change it and don't have to throw the entire box away. Softbox, it works. And so yeah, this is the video about the CFL, and if you have any other questions that I have not covered in this video, feel free to leave a comment. I thought on it, and I hope to see you in next video. Thanks so much for watching.